Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to split a part. So for example, you can create start to sketch, choose the top plane, and I will use rectangle tools to create rectangle. Use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now to split these parts, we need to create for the split object. So I will create the new plans, like I will click in the top face here. You can use the offset from plan and I will move to the bottom here a bit. Click OK to apply. Now to split, you can click this icon split. And for objects, I will click at these icons to change into solid objects. So it will be automatically select for the box object here. And for the tools, you can select the plane object. After it, you can choose for the befores here. You can keep two side objects or you can delete from the sides like in here in the left or in the right. I will use both. Click OK to apply. So you can click here. We have the solid bodies and it will be split into two solid objects. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to split a part.